Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a special treat for you. This is a recipe for chicken and vegetable stir fry in a deep fried sweet potato bird's nest. So just cut it in half here, makes it easier for cutting. So you can use a knife to cut the skin off the sweet potato. So I do it this way too. I'm going to cut the sweet potato into slices first. So just cut into shoestring potatoes. We're going to use a small strainer for this bird's nest for the stir fry. So I put one egg in there to bind the sweet potatoes. It's maybe about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch here all together. I'm just going to bind it together like this. So we're going to just fill this basket with the shoestring sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to test one sweet potato first, just throw that in. So you can see that's pretty hot. Keep the oil at high heat, put it in slowly. Make sure you don't have too much oil in there, it'll overflow. So it's been in there about 3 or 4 minutes now, so I'm going to take it off. So I have a plate with a napkin on it just to drain the oil. Just give the basket a tap, so that will help loosen up the potatoes or the sweet potatoes in there. So you just remove it. So you can see, just use your spatula here, get under the potato basket and then transfer it onto a plate like this. So you're ready to make the stir fry now. So preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger. I like ginger, so I put more than other people, I guess. So I got about 4 ounces of chicken here, maybe 6 ounces of chicken here. So put the chicken in, give it a good sear for about 30 seconds. I'm going to turn the heat on to high now. At this point, put about a teaspoon of sesame oil in there. I like the sea salt, so I put half to 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You can put more or less, and you can use any kind of salt that you like. So I got the chicken going, I'm going to put the veggies in. So we got red peppers, green peppers, mushrooms, and onions. So this is enough to make 2 or 3 bird's nests. I'm going to put a tablespoon of light soy sauce. I'm just going to put maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce just for color. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. That's my favorite sauce. The chicken is in big pieces, so it'll cook right through by the time you finish the veggies. I'm going to hit it with a 1/4 cup of water. So it's about 1 ladle on my ladle size. So this will help steam the veggies. So I've got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. Just mix that together. So put that in to thicken the sauce. So you might not need the whole thing, but if you do, you can always add extra water if it gets too thick. So give it a final stir fry here. So I got enough to make 2 bird's nests. So you can serve it on 1 plate if you like. So just put some of the stir fry right in the middle of the bird's nest. You don't have to overfill it. Just enough to show off the middle with the stir fry, and you show off the bird's nest on the outside. There you have it, chicken and veggie stir fry in a deep fried sweet potato bird's nest. Enjoy.